Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video, I will show you a game between Ivan Saric and Mikhail Gurevich. This is a game from Mediterranean Championship, played in France in 2007. Ivan Saric had white pieces and he started with e4. Mikhail Gurevich played e6, d4, d5, the French defense. Knight to c3, knight to f6, e5, attacking the knight and gaining the space on the board, knight from f to d7, f4, c5, attacking white center. This is the standard move. Knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to e3, black to move. Bishop to e7 was played. C takes on d4 is the most played move. Bishop to e7, d takes on c5, and Gurevich castled kingside. Queen to d2, showing the intention to castle queenside. Bishop takes on c5 and Ivan Saric castled queenside. Queen to a5, bishop takes on c5, knight takes on c5, king to b1, bishop to d7, bishop to d3. Not everybody will play bishop to d3. Knight to b4, knight to d4, rook from f to c8. Play with the black pieces. Gurevich is doing well. White must do something on the king side, otherwise white king will drop dead soon. g4, bishop to a4. There is a feeling that black is better. Do you agree? It looks like that if knight takes on d3, there's going to be a problem for white. How to solve that problem? Saric ignored the problem and played f5. Knight from b takes on d3, c takes on d3, and Gurevich won the exchange. The plan worked well, quite well. But now Saric reveals his own plan. f6. Black to move. G takes on f6. If black wants to save the bishop, then queen to g5 is winning. Back to our game. After f6 we have g takes on f6. E takes on f6. King to h8. If black wants to save the bishop, then queen to h6 and white is winning. Back to our game. King to h8 in order to meet queen to g5 with the rook to g8. Rook takes bishop. Knight to a4. Knight takes on a4. Queen takes on a4. Attacking the knight. Generally, rooks are better than knights. But take a note of Saric's knight and compare his knight with black rook on a8. Black rook on a8 is a sleeping rook, and white knight is a monster knight. The game continued. Knight to f3, queen takes on g4. Black is much better material now. Knight to e5, attacking the queen and threatening knight takes pawn on f7. Defending the pawn, attacking the knight. Rook to e1, defending the knight. Rook to c7, defending the pawn on f7 in order to free the queen, and intending perhaps to activate the rook. White to move. In this position, Ivan Saric played a brilliant move. Rook to g1, a clever trap, sacrificing the knight on e5, but the knight is at the move. Queen to h4. If queen takes on e5, then queen to h6 is winning. After rook to g8, rook takes rook check, king takes rook, queen to g7 checkmate. Back to our game. So Gurevich played queen to h4, attacking the pawn on f6. How to defend the pawn? What would you do? This is the most interesting moment of the game. Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? In this position, Ivan Saric played an absolutely fantastic move. And that is Queen to C2. Amazing. White is now winning in all variations. Gurevich checked all variations he could think of and couldn't find anything. Queen is attacking the rook. If rook takes queen, what happens then? Then the monster knight delivers the checkmate. If rook stays on 7th rank and goes to d7, knight takes on d7. So in a very difficult position, Gurevich played rook to e7. Nothing works, so don't blame Gurevich for this move. F takes on e7. Queen takes on e7. White to move. And now comes the icing on the cake. Anyway, what would you do in this position? If you had white pieces, please pause and find the best move for white. White played a move and black resigned. And the move is knight to f7 check. Gurevich resigned in view of this continuation. Queen takes knight. Queen to c3 check. There is a problem of dark squares. d4. Queen takes on d4 check. e5. Queen takes on e5. And what now? Queen to f6. Queen takes queen on f6 checkmate. Wow. What a brilliant game by Ivan Saric. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.